It's going to be a great day to take a nice long walk. We've got bright blue skies out there, full sunshine. The roads are all dry, and yes, it's still a little bit windy. 55 already here in Des Moines, west-northwest wind at 21, and it's been gusting close to 30. Nowhere near those gusts yesterday. We had gusts near 50 miles per hour yesterday, so it's come down a little bit. But yes, it's still very breezy. The breeze is going to continue to shift back to the northwest across the state today. So everywhere you drive, you're going to be encountering that wind, especially on those north-south roads. Watch for that crosswind today. But it's helping us warm into the 50s nearly statewide, a few 40s up to the northeast. They've been dealing with some lingering cloud cover early this morning and even a little bit of a spritz of rain for them. Here's your 12-hour forecast. Highs today well above average, near 60 degrees despite that northwest wind. As we head towards sunset this evening, the wind will be settling back down and temperatures start their slow decline here through the 40s through about 9 p.m. then into the 30s. It is going to be a frosty night tonight as readings dip into the 20s. We do have clear skies out there across central Iowa, but up to the northeast, they've been dealing with some light rain, even a couple of snow showers near Decorah. And the broader view shows more snow showers up across Wisconsin. This did pass through the Twin Cities all along a cold front, and that cold front is going to be dropping through the state later on tonight, bringing us another chilly day tomorrow. Let's take you hour by hour across the region. The warmest air stays off to the south. Overnight lows tonight dropping below freezing for much of the Midwest. But tomorrow, look at that, it starts to recover out to the west. We'll stay a little cool here, but as we head toward Wednesday, starting out milder already, and in the afternoon, that warmer air starts to surge back in here. Looks really pretty for your Wednesday. Even better conditions on the way for Thursday. Waking up to morning readings where we are right now in central Iowa and ending up on Thursday afternoon, possibly near record warm conditions once again. This afternoon, get out there and enjoy it. Highs topping out near 55 degrees, plenty of sunshine, just a little bit of a gusty wind from time to time. That wind settles down with the clear skies overnight. It's going to get frosty, down to 26 here in Des Moines, up to the north, even chillier, maybe some lows in the teens. Here's your 8-day forecast. We get right back up into the 60s on Wednesday, even warmer conditions on the way for Thursday. We are going to be dealing with a little bit of wind off and on throughout the week, too. As we head toward Friday, some rain rolls in here. That's going to continue into Saturday, maybe even lasting into early on Sunday. And that rain is going to bring with it, yes, another cool down. As we start next week, it's going to start to feel a little bit chilly out there.